Gaia Ashram, our project, and we're just going to look at our main Sala, our main natural building, and look at some challenging issue that we've been having with termites. Okay, so let's have a look inside at the Sala, see how it looks. Ooh, nice. So here's our main hall, our community space, our eating space, our hanging out space, our meditation space. On the second floor there's a lot of wood, and the termites, they seem to have gone up and start eating our wood for a while now. So now we're trying to manage it properly. So let's see if we can find our termites and actually see what they look like. Best to go upstairs, I guess. So this is a sleeping area. Now it's quiet because we're in COVID. So we have a lot of time to work on these kind of things. As you can see, there's a lot of wood here everywhere. So this wood, we buy the old house and then take it apart. People want to sell the house because they want to build a cement house. And we take it apart and bring it here and we put it back together here. You can clearly see the termites been eating here. Now they're not there, we already removed them here. But they're kind of eating on floorboards. It's not very nice. And then also they're eating some of the structure. So it creates a bit of a dangerous situation. Yeah. Here you can see them eating a lot of the floorboard here too. And here we actually kind of section it off because it might be a bit dangerous. So often they're kind of hard to spot because they're kind of behind things or in between the wood, so you really need to check well in places. So here you see they're very much present, and there you can see the dirt. So there are tunnels, so yeah, that means they're in the wood.